Very good evening to you guys and welcome back to another vlog. So another week, another weekend and another Saturday. So this Saturday's vlog you must have already seen from the title that we are going to service the vehicle. Okay, in a previous vlog which was the car AC cleanup, if you have not watched it then please go and watch that vlog first. Without that, don't watch this video. Okay, so this video is all about we'll be servicing the vehicle. Okay, and we are taking the vehicle to Sharjah basically. At my previous store where I used to take it to New Style Auto Maintenance, so because there only I like to maintain my car and all. So yet once again I'm taking the vehicle to New Style Auto Maintenance today. Okay, let's see what things need to get replaced, because it's almost been more than a year. Okay, the service is actually delayed by a very long time. Okay, and it's quite hot also outside, so make sure that you carry your umbrella and some water and all. Very hot these days. Okay, because summer has officially begun in the UAE. Okay, so peak summers are coming up right now. And first of all we'll have to check the AC also, because I'm not sure what's wrong with the AC. Maybe there is some problem with the AC gas, or maybe some parts have to be replaced, maybe some condenser or something. I really not sure about that. But anyways, let's first take the vehicle out and go to Sharjah. Right now it's almost around 9:20. Okay, I'm running little bit late. I thought that by 9 o'clock I'll reach Sharjah, but right now I'm still in Dubai only, so it will take another half an hour to 45 minutes to reach to Sharjah. A lot of traffic also on the road. Okay, so anyways, I'll see you directly in the garage. Okay, till then keep on watching.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go.
Yes guys, so before starting with the vlog, I just want to apologize to everyone. I'm really sorry, the mic was not connected properly, and so because of that the entire audio didn't get recorded, but the video got recorded, only the audio was not able to record. So I'm really sorry for you guys. And to tell you frankly, this is the garage area. We have reached Sharjah industrial area, New Style Auto Maintenance, and today's first day. We are going to be splitting this vlog into two. Okay, basically day 1 and day 2. So this is day 1 basically, and over here if you see, they have started to check the vehicle first. I have already told them what do I need to do, and also I've told them about the AC. So they are saying that first we'll be checking the AC, because things don't seem to be that great. So first he'll be trying to fill some gas in the AC. Okay, just to check if there is some leakage or something. If there is any leakage in the AC, then we need to change certain parts. For that they might have to remove the entire interior. They might have to open the bumper also, but I'm not very sure. So they're checking over here, and before even starting with the AC service, they are going to inspect the entire vehicle, where they have removed the alloy also, just to see if at all we require new brake pads. But they are saying that the brake pads are quite fine, they don't require. And over here if you see, then they are actually just trying to check with soap water. Now soap water actually helps to let you know if there is any leakage. Okay, wherever there are bubbles, that means the pipeline or the hoses have some kind of leakage. Okay, and this was basically the very first day. So they said that today the vehicle won't be given to you because it requires a lot of time. Okay, they require to rectify the fault because there is no leakage in the pipelines. The leakage is actually inside, okay, somewhere in the dashboard or something. So I am not very sure how things will go. So today's vlog will be ended over here only because I have to go back to Dubai. So I'm going back to Dubai now. I'll be leaving the car over here only in Sharjah in the garage with them, and I'll be coming tomorrow morning. So by today evening they will be checking the entire vehicle. Okay, if you see now in this particular clip, they have removed the front bumper also. So maybe the front bumper, the front condenser might need to be changed, but they also not sure as to what's the problem right now. It might take us some time, but for today's vlog this is the only thing. We'll be coming tomorrow morning back to Sharjah industrial area, and we'll be taking the vehicle after that. Okay, so this is the update for today. So very good morning to you guys and welcome back to another vlog. So day 2 on my update. So yesterday you must have seen in this same vlog that we had opened the car, what do you call that, the AC of the vehicle. Okay, it was not working. So today I came at around 9 o'clock. Still the work is going on, but they have rectified the fault. 2 to 3 things have been replaced. So the interior all has been completely removed. I will just show it to you. Okay, so if you see, this is the vehicle from behind. Looks quite normal. Dashboard is over here, front dashboard. Okay, entire AC panels and all this inside over here. Okay, rear sitting. Then over here, this is basically the interior of the vehicle. Completely disassembled because they had to change certain parts from here of the AC only. Okay, and if you see from here now, I'll just show it to you. So this part has been changed now. There's some other parts also, and now like he's trying to check again if there is any fault or any leakage. Okay, so this is the update for now. So this is how it looks after the bumper has been removed. Okay, so not a very good sign, but I guess almost done now. Okay, so this was one part. I don't know what this is called. So this was the part which was replaced by them. Okay, so this is in the interior. This has like 2-3 leakages. So if you see this oil and all now which is come, see here there is one oil, here, see 3-4 leakages are there. So this was the main culprit. This was the main part because of which we had to rip down the entire interior. And this is the center console. Look at this. क्या हालत हो गई उसकी, पूरा का पूरा ख़त्म. Okay, so in a very very bad state. So now let's hope for the best. By today evening at least, I hope so we can finish off this entire work. And then the service also is pending. So I'm not sure whether we'll be doing the service because tomorrow I have to take the car to work also. So maybe we'll come in the next week if at all we don't get time today. But I hope today this vehicle problem gets solved. Okay, and I will keep on giving you the updates later on. Yes guys, so the update on my Civic. So they have currently filled some gas and all. So I hope it's not moving now. It has been constantly on the same pace. So I guess the leak problem is solved. And he has installed the interior also. Okay, almost half the way done now. Yeah, so almost done. Few panels are remaining here and there, but almost done now. Okay, they'll be installing the glove box and also AC work is already done. Okay, next I wanted to show you all the 2 products that I have to use in the car. So as you all know, I have shown you all, this is basically engine flush. Okay, so every oil change you should use this to change the oil so that it remains in a much better way. Okay, the engine, whatever residues are there, whatever things are there, it will flush it off. Okay, so right now these guys, I guess they have already used this, but they have not drained the engine oil. Okay, so the old oil and the engine flush is also in the car. Okay, but we'll be just running the vehicle, starting the vehicle for another 15 minutes, and then we'll be draining out the old oil. After that we'll be using this oil additive. Okay, so this oil additive has to be used with the engine oil, new engine oil. And so over here there are this engine oil and the coolant. So I will just show it to you. So this, once it gets drained, only after that you have to use it. So this is known as the Honda genuine engine oil. Okay, so this is basically synthetic engine oil from Honda. It's a 5W30. Okay, so this is the grade which is recommended, and it's a Honda. Okay, and secondly, this is the coolant. Okay, see, this is the coolant because they had to remove the old coolant out, and they'll be using new coolant for it. Okay, then you have the air filter. Okay, so this was the old air filter. Okay, completely over, so you have to change this every service, and this is the new air filter. Okay, so we will be installing this new one. So this is petty packed, and this is the oil filter. Okay, so we'll be replacing the oil filter. This is also Honda genuine only. Yeah, so I hope you can see. I don't think so because this is not this is also Honda only. I will just try to show it to you. Yeah, this is also Honda genuine. Okay, and the cabin filter has already been installed because they required to test the AC and all. Okay, so again the battery is disconnected. They checked, they tested, and they disconnected it again. So these were the products that we had to use. Apart from that, we have two more, but they are not required now. They'll be requiring when we'll be filling up the gas. Okay, not gas, fill up the petrol. So we'll be using it. So make sure that next time whenever you all are having any used vehicles na, use this both the products, engine flush to remove the old oil, and then the oil additive. Okay, so these are the two main products that are required. Yes guys, so the interior work is done. They have drained the old coolant also. Okay, so this was the old coolant, and now they are going to refill the new coolant over here. Okay, so this is the new coolant.
On his side, yeah, you and I both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about.
Yes guys, they have started the car also. Okay, it's currently in initializing, and over here, yeah, that is the gas, I guess. Yeah, that's the gas that they have bought over there. Okay, so they will be filling it now, and as I have told you, they have put the engine flush, so it's currently working. So 15 minutes it's required. After that they'll be draining the oil from the down, and they'll be adding this new engine oil, along with that the additive. Okay, so that this is the plan for now. So they have completely done it perfectly, but that's a very nice thing. Okay, yes guys, so welcome back to the vlog. It was lunchtime actually, so they had gone for a lunch break. So next part, we have started the engine because I have to drain the oil also, as I have told you. So the engine flush is present inside. This is basically इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
हेडलाइट का नीचे वाला ब्रैकेट है.
Okay, so this is the bracket for the headlight. So ये टूटा हुआ था ना पहले. Yeah, so this part has been broken down first. So because of that they have bought new ones. Okay, for both the side, this one as well as for that one. Okay, so you have to change these brackets also, because the previous owner, he had stuck silicone instead of using new brackets. If you see, they have just stuck some silicone, and it was just holding over there. So now once they put the brackets on this, it will work perfectly fine.
Could grow just like the flowers through the concrete, just you and me. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself go.
So the oil also has been drained. Now the vehicle is just on one jack. Okay, so I can't show it to you, but if you see, the oil has been drained in the pan. So they'll be putting the new filter also. Okay, they'll be using this filter. This is Honda genuine. Again, they'll be using this oil. Along with that, Liqui-Moly also will be going inside. And they bought this bumper also.
Expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go.
Yes guys, so the bumper has already been fit, okay, with all the locks and all. So now it's looking much better than previously, because previously they were using only, you know, the silicone and all, so it was just like standing over there. The oil has been drained out. Now they'll be adding new oil, and along with that we'll be adding this Liqui-Moly oil additive, MOS2. Okay, so this is the oil, okay, engine oil, if you see, yeah, engine oil, and this oil additive as well. So first he'll be pouring this. It looks actually very dark black, so this is how it looks from the inside. Okay, so this is MOS2, okay, very pitch dark black if you see. So he'll be adding a little bit of engine oil in that, and he'll be using it. Now look at this. This is how it should be.
Yeah, you and I both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, break the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go.
Yes guys, so I'm back from Sharjah industrial area. Okay, so finally the service is done. It took us 2 long days, but finally complete. Okay, it wouldn't have gone so much also. It would have been done yesterday only. Okay, it was just like a 2 hours work, but it took a lot of time because, you know, the AC had to be replaced, the entire compressor and all of this thing. So total bill I will show it to you. So the AC vibrator has been changed. Okay, I don't know what is the vibrator mean, but they had already done it yesterday only. So AC vibrator, then AC valves, okay, then AC condenser also had to be replaced. Coolant water, okay, coolant you have to replace it. AC filter, air filter, okay. So these are the things every service you have to change. These are non-negotiable. Okay, engine oil plus air filter, very normal, I have to change. AC gas, okay, so AC gas also had to be put on. And labor charges, so labor charges are very expensive. Then front headlight bracket, the 2 brackets which I had shown you all, those, yeah. So total bill has come to around 2,200 dirhams. 2,200 dirhams in Indian currency means, so 2,200 dirhams in Indian currency means around 55,473.86.
बताओ, इतना मादरचोद लड़का पैदा करी हूँ मैं कि क्या बताऊँ.
So quite expensive, but plus along with that I had bought those Liqui-Moly, so that costed around 160 dirhams, okay, extra. So 160 dirhams in Indian currency meaning 4,035 dirhams. Okay, 435 sorry 4,035 rupees. Okay, so almost around 59 to 60,000. Okay, this time I paid almost 60,000 INR for the service. Okay,
तुम्हें शर्म है कुछ शर्म आया है?
it wouldn't have been so much. Now just the major problem was the AC. Okay, so because the AC parts had to be changed, so because of that the whole dashboard had to be bought out, the whole bumper had to be replaced, not replaced, I would say removed, and then the condenser and a lot of things. Okay, otherwise the basic service would have been just maybe 300 dirhams. Okay, so it doesn't take much time, but this time he took around 600 dirhams for the labor charges. So 600 dirhams, it's like very high, because they had to remove the entire dashboard and all. Okay, but finally the work is done. The major issue why this had occurred is that the heat of the UAE. As you know, we receive a heat of almost around 50 degree. Okay, and this particular car is actually a Canadian specs. This is not a GCC specs. Okay, so there are a lot of changes when it comes to the condenser, when it comes to the hoses, when it comes to the valves. Okay, because most of the things in this car are like very, very small, specifically when it comes to AC. Okay, because as you know, in the West, specifically in North America, where, you know, in Canada I would say specifically, there's a lot of snow which falls. Okay, so they don't require much of AC. They require but not much of AC. So they suck the air from outside, and because of that the hoses, the pipes and all are very, very small. But when it comes to GCC, they have to use bigger pipes, they have to use bigger hoses, they have to use bigger condensers. So it's just not about GCC specs or Canadian specs. You have to understand the difference also. Okay, and this kind of problems do come. Okay, otherwise we would have finished the service by yesterday only, maybe for 300 to 400 dirhams max. Okay, so now I hope there is no more work which comes out. You know, in the last 1.5 years that I bought the vehicle, it never had given me any kind of problem. Okay, always it has been a good girl. Okay, and as I always recommend you, every time use these two products, engine flush, okay, and oil addictive. Okay, you must have seen in the video. So these are the two products which you have to always use. Okay, so make sure that you use these products also in your vehicle. Okay, so this will improve your vehicle life. Okay, and if you are in Dubai or Sharjah, Ajman or Fujairah or Ras Al Khaimah, if you want to come to this service center, so this is basically New Style Auto Maintenance. This is the second time I have been over there. The first service video is already uploaded on the channel, so you can go and check it out. So we have changed a lot of things over there also, and today as well. Okay, last time also I had to pay a lot of money for the service, and this time also only because of the AC. Otherwise basic service doesn't cost much. That's a very nice thing. Okay, so next service will be after 5,000 kilometers. That's what the company recommends you, 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers. I had driven this car for almost 4,000 kilometers with this oil. Not 4,000, 4,700 or 800 something. And the car automatically tells me, because I reset the entire system, the entire car. So it automatically tells me when I have to service the vehicle, when I need to do the oil change and all. Okay, because there are specific codes and all which come, which you have to read the owner's manual. So owner's manual also is a very important thing which you have to go through. Okay, and only after that you all can be able to know what is wrong with your vehicle. Okay, so that was it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you like the entire video. Yes, I've been spending a lot of money on my car. I don't know, maybe I have spent so much of money on myself, but I spent so much of money on my car. But anyways, it doesn't really matter as long as at least I'm in Dubai. Much better, as always, any day, anytime. Okay, Dubai is always the best. Okay, so that was it for this vlog, guys. I will see you in the next upcoming video. By the way, make sure that you check the first vlog out of the AC cleaning thing, okay, which I had done. It was good that I had done the AC cleaning also, and second part also you must have watched now. So anyways, thank you so much. I will see you in the next upcoming vlog. Till then, goodbye, take care, and love you lots.